So, we're in the, what is this, our third week of quarantine due to COVID-19? Is that correct? I'm losing track of the days here. I don't know, they all just blend together. So, we're forced to go out and have to scrounge and go get our food, you know, go forage like they used to. And turns out this is our one time that we get to leave the house together as a family and go brave the apocalyptic world that we now live in, where there's no toilet paper. Grocery stores are now our war zones. And it's fend for yourself. So we would like to take this time to thank our local school systems for allowing us to go forage for food on their grounds, in their facility. And every day, we're so excited to see what we got. It first started out with only lunch. Now it's lunch, breakfast, and dinner. What are we getting today, girls? Go ahead and open your packages. What are you looking for? What do you hope is in there?
Oh, we got milk, Pop-Tarts.
Pop-Tarts!
And a cheese stick.
What kind of Pop-Tarts?
Pop-Tarts.
What kind?
I don't know. And
Looks like strawberry?
And juice.
Oh, Gia can't even get into her bag.
And probably more mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese? Was it so good yesterday?
Let's open it up and see.
Yeah, open it up in there.
Alright, so start with the breakfast. This is the breakfast bag right here.
Oh, with Pop-Tarts?
Okay, what kind of Pop-Tart is it? Did you guys get the same Pop-Tart? That's,
Oh, cinnamon.
did you get a cinnamon?
I don't know yet.
Rip it open. Rip, rip, rip.
Now, juice.
Well, hope from, okay. What kind is it?
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Oh my
And
goodness.
cinnamon.
And
We're
cinnamon.
gonna fight tomorrow morning for these.
Survival of the fittest right there. Whoever wins gets both Pop-Tarts.
Cheese sticks.
Juice. And
Uh-oh. Are these both milks? Yeah.
Cheese sticks.
Milk.
Oh my goodness.
And then fruit punch. Okay.
now
It's a good score today, ladies.
I think this is the dinner.
All right, let's do lunch.
Well, which one is lunch?
This one's the lunch. Okay, let's see what's in it.
What do you hope is in it? What are you looking for? Does it have tacos?
It probably doesn't. It came with some peppers.
Oh, you girls love peppers.
Okay. We got like a whole package of peppers between the last couple of days.
And apples.
Apples. Oh my goodness.
Gianna's got apples. Oh, Gianna didn't get peppers.
She got celery?
Got celery.
Then more milk.
Oh, of course. Yeah, more milk.
Of course. And then this.
What is this?
We don't know.
Peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
I'm not sure.
Cheese quesadilla?
It's open.
What is it? Pizza? I'm so confused right now.
We don't know, honestly.
What is it?
Open.
Unidentifiable food from the local school system?
I don't
Oh my god, it's like the 90s lunches all over again.
Kind of calzone or something.
Oh, okay.
Or
Some
empanada. I don't
questionable food there. What do you got?
know. Questionable.
Are those gummies? Oh no, those are apples. I got so excited. I'm so sorry.
All right.
All right, is this it? What'd you guys get for dinner?
Let's see what dinner is.
But I will open
Yeah, I like that thing.
Okay.
Okay.
Say, Mom, I need to learn how to survive on my own. You can't just open the packages for me.
Okay, so dinner, we got more milk. It's crazy now.
6 things of milk. Oh my goodness.
And I think mac and cheese.
More mac and cheese?
Open it up and see.
No.
Show it to the camera.
What is it?
What is
What
it?
kind of fruit is that?
Apples?
Nope.
Pears? Is
Oh.
it chutney?
I think it's pears.
Yeah.
Yep, it's pears.
Pears and
Yep.
gelatin? Mmm.
It's like in a fruit. It's like a juice.
It's in a what?
A juice.
Oh, yum.
Now what's this? Now
Oh,
it's this.
And what you got?
Meatballs!
Meatballs. Show it to the camera, Gia. Whoa.
And rice.
Meatballs and
rice.
rice.
Yum.
This one. What is
Don't-
it? What is it?
Oh
Broccoli!
my god, is that your favorite?
Yeah.
The only kid that truly loves broccoli. Look at that face. We didn't have to pay her.
All right. So what is your most favorite item that you got?
The Pop-Tarts.
The Pop-Tarts, of course.
That's a special treat.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
And the apples. Me too.
Yep,
And the meatballs.
yep. All right, you guys ready to go foraging tomorrow?
Yes.
We have to have a good haul because we don't get any more until Monday. We'll have to go Saturday and Sunday with only the $500,000 of food that we have in the house. Just kidding. We're starving. Without this, we can't survive.
Yes.
Thanks again to our local school system.
Bye.
Bye.
Woo.
Say thank you,
Thank you.
police officers and lunch ladies, for all your hard work providing us this exciting time and meal.
Thank you. Thank